good, y'all? What's going on this morning? Heading to work right now. As y'all can see the title of this video, man, what today gonna be about, what we talking about. Is the 200 worth it, man? Now, two-part answers to that question. No, it's not worth it. But then again, yes, it is worth it. Now, the reason I say it's not worth it and it is worth it, I'm gonna break it down for y'all why I say that. Now, for those who don't know and haven't watched my full review on this car, after discount, you know, manager discount, rebates, all that good stuff, I paid $33,000 for this car. $33K. 6 months after I bought the car, right? FCA decided to discontinue the 200. Me paying $33,000 and getting screwed on them discontinuing the car 6 months after having the car. Now I'm so upside down and you know, in this current day, I'm so upside down. I couldn't trade the car in if I wanted to. I mean, I could, but with $9,000 rolled over to a nice car, I'm looking at easy $500, $600, $700 payment for something. Probably a car I don't even want, you know. You know, to me, you may not have the same case, but to me, it's not worth it. Now, if you were to buy a car, if you were to buy this car after they discontinued the 200s, you would have got a smoking deal. You'd have got at least 10 grand off a sticker. I've seen a lot of brand new ones going for 24. Even the 2.4 liters, the 4 cylinders, going for 18, 16. You know, even with low miles, you could get one for 15, 14, anywhere from that price range to about 18,000. And the V6 was ranged from like, I'm gonna say 18 to like 24,000. So if you bought this car after they discontinued it, you got a banging deal. And then yes, it's worth it, because for what you're getting, man, for 24,000 or any other price that you got it for, you got a great deal, man. V6, 300 horsepower, not to the wheels, to the crank. You got the touchscreen, you got the Bluetooth, you got navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, you got the paddle shifters on the back, you got the nice digital display in the middle with the analogs, speedometers. I mean, it's just nice. You got the nice design. You got either you got the 18-inch wheels or the 19-inch wheels, which are crazy on this car, and you got it for almost little to nothing, man. Your payments probably is anything lower, $350 or lower, depending on, you know, your interest rate. It's gonna be different for everybody. Your interest rate, your down payment, whatever you did, your trade-in, whatever you did to get this vehicle. So if you got this car after the discontinuation, it's well worth it. Now, for us people who bought this car first year model, we got screwed. We pretty much lost easy 10,000, just that easy in this first year. If you have a 2015 or early 16, you bought your car before a discontinuation, you probably lost easy 10 grand easy. So, with that being said, man, I mean, it's a lesson learned, man. I'm kind of biased to this video because I still love my car, man. Like, even though I don't feel like it's worth what I'm paying for it because of what I still owe on it because of the discontinuation and the devalue of it so fast, I still love my car, man. Like, I wouldn't trade this car right now for nothing else. Only car I would trade this for is a Hellcat when I can afford it. Currently going through a home buyer's program right now, so I can't buy any, you know, another car right now or whatever, because I've been seeing some crazy deals on Hellcats, man. I've seen a brand new Hellcat for like 55,000, brand new 2016. So I'm trying to hold off. I'm trying to save, you know. You guys, that's it. We'll do another video for that. But lesson well learned, man. For those who like to buy those first gen models of that year or whatever that new model is, do not buy the first year model. Lesson learned for me, definitely. I will never buy a first year car ever again. So and if I do, it has to be something I know is gonna hold its value. I gotta do my research, because When I got this car, I did no research. That was my first mistake. That's how they already got me. They already got me because I ain't do no research. So I'm clueless. I don't know what nothing about the car. All I knew was it had more power than my previous car. It had way more features than my previous car. So you know what? I jumped in it. No, not even a second thought about it. No research, no nothing. So that's my fault. Again, learned my lesson, man. So I would never buy a first year new model car or redesigned car or anything, because every car is gonna have its flaws. I don't care what it is. Mercedes, Lambo, Bentley, every car, if it's a new car, it's gonna have issues. I don't care what you say. I don't care who made it. I don't care. Jesus can make it. It's gonna have an issue. It's gonna have a little bit of issues. You know, not to say that, you know, I don't mean to make no upset no Christian people, but you know, it's just, you know, you get what I'm saying. My example. Everything is gonna have something. It may not be something big. It may be something real small, or it may be just, you know, a quick little tune-up or a little flash update. But something is gonna go wrong with it, no matter what it is. Something, you know. So yeah. So with that being said, man, at my price point, no, it's not worth it. I love my car though. I would never trade it. I want to keep it. But for what I paid for it and for what I'm gonna get for it now, no, it's not worth it. If y'all not already subscribed, man, please go down, subscribe, click that red button, hit the bell. Stay tuned, because this Wednesday, upcoming Wednesday, I'm so hyped. We got a dyno coming for the car. I'm pretty stoked about that, man. I've been waiting to do a dyno. Just been debating on who I should go to, or if I should even do it, because it's, you know, it's only 300 horsepower. But who cares? I'm curious. I'm gonna do it. The guy's super cool, man. So we're gonna do the dyno next Wednesday, man. Stay tuned for that, because it's gonna be epic, man. They got a ton of cars they working on in the shop. I'm not gonna tell you where we going, but y'all gonna see if y'all follow, if y'all tune in on Wednesday. They got a ton of nice cars, man. They got they got a couple cars with the motors ripped out of them. They rebuilding motors, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that, man. I got a couple car reviews coming up Sunday, so make sure y'all don't miss it, man. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm out.